phakanyiswe kakuhle la bhola yi-Sundowns bayiyekela ngasemva. Sales ayicenga la bhola iMamelodi Sundowns. Salas wayibeka emnatheni. Mzuzu wama-32. Indoda exakekileyo uSales, indoda exakekileyo kwi-Sundowns, uthe esesuswini abe ephambili. Uvuziwe ke ngoku ngomzuzu wama-32.
Nice touch now. Could be the opening they're looking for, and good block by Matthews. Follow-up shot. Oh, Chipper finds the equaliser. It's deflected and has the beating of Williams. This Chipper that grabbed the opportunity now here in the second half. The initial shots from Philander was blocked, and as Chipper washes on,